Hey y'all, Delaney Hall here. Today I am going to be going through the Better Than Box brownie recipe that I was raving about. It's absolutely amazing. So first step is to get the chocolate, both the semi-sweet and milk chocolate, oil, and butter into a glass or metal bowl. And we're going to put it over a double boiler, or put it on the double boiler. So I have my hot water that's been simmering, and I'm going to mix them up and just keep an eye on it. It takes anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to do this step, so I would do it first, so when you start to make the brownies, it's all ready to go. So there it is. And I just set that aside. I'm going to sift together the flour, cocoa powder, and cornstarch. I love to sift everything on a parchment paper like I'm doing here. Next, I get the stand mixer with the whisk attachment. I'm going to add granulated sugar into it, my dark brown sugar, my salt, I used kosher salt, and vanilla paste. I prefer vanilla paste over vanilla. And then you're just going to mix it. Now I am going to get my eggs and separate them. I get my eggs from my dad's farm, so I always like to crack them in a separate bowl just to make sure they are all good to go. Okay, I add my eggs, and I'm going to put that mixer on high until they're light and fluffy in color and a very good amount of volume on there. Okay, so now I am adding my melted chocolate and scraping every little last bit. It's so delicious. So now I am scraping the sides, making sure the mixture is well incorporated, and I'm going to get the dry ingredients and pour them right in and fold it gently. I mean, not too gently, just slightly gently. So this takes a few minutes. I'm going to fast forward to when it's done. Okay, so now I've got my 10-inch by 10-inch pan, and I'm spraying it down with baking spray. I've already cut my parchment to fit, so I'm just putting that in there and getting ready to pour my batter into the pan. And I already have my oven. It's at 325 degrees convection bake. If you're not using convection, just use regular bake, but you're going to bring it to 350. And if you're doing this size, it's only going to be about 45 minutes. Just scrape, put in there, and then stick it in the oven. Okay, y'all, that's it for this video. Thanks for taking the time and watching it. I hope to get some more out there eventually. Give me some time to figure this whole thing out, but I really appreciate it, and let me know.